Hello and welcome to Lazy Chef. My name is Sargun and today I'll be making Dahi Kebab. This is the most irresistible snack I've ever had. I love it, I know you love it, so let's get started. The ingredients are as follows. First I have hung curd. I kept curd in a muslin cloth overnight to get this. I have breadcrumbs, half a bowl paneer, half onion and coriander chopped, 1 tablespoon besan, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. So let's get started. We'll first mix all the ingredients together. I start by adding hung curd, then paneer, then onion and coriander, then besan, and finally ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Now I'll add salt and spices. Add salt as per your taste. Then I add garam masala, pepper powder and mix it. The batter is now ready. To check the consistency, take a spoonful of batter and check. If it does not fall, it's perfect, and if it does, add a little corn flour to it. Now to shape the dahi kebab, try not to use your hands and use 2 spoons instead. Flatten it a little and drop it in the breadcrumbs. Once it is lightly coated, we will shape it. You can shape it in whatever shape you like, flat, circle, square. Once it is done, we'll coat it with breadcrumbs again. Repeat the process with the whole batter. The kebabs are now ready to be fried. Heat the oil on high flame and fry it. Fry it till it is golden brown on both sides. We are frying it on high flame because we just want the golden brown color and we do not want to cook dahi inside. Once it is golden brown, take it out on a paper towel. Delicious, soft and juicy dahi kebab is ready. Serve it hot with the dip of your choice. For more such easy recipes, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for supporting and keep watching Lazy Chef.